Good morning, welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. Today I'll be making Banana Bran Power Muffins. We're going to begin with the dry ingredients. So first we're going to start with 1 cup of wheat bran, 3/4 cup of rolled oats, 3/4 cup of flour. You can use whole wheat or all-purpose flour. I'm just using all-purpose flour. Then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Then we're going to go with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. The nutmeg is optional. Then we're going to put 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix. We're just going to combine it all together. And then we'll set this aside and we'll work on the wet ingredients. And now we're going to add our wet ingredients. We need 3 large bananas mashed. Then we're going to add 2 medium apples grated. And we're going to use 2 large eggs. Quarter cup of coconut oil. And 1/4 cup of honey. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to mix this all together. And we're going to add our wet to our dry. We don't want to overmix. Just going to mix it on. Good, it's okay to have a few lumps in there. And now, this is optional. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of dried cranberries and 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. And we're just going to fold those in. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 350 and we're going to line our muffin tins with paper, or you grease them very well. We're going to let the mixture sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Now we're going to fill our pans. This is an optional step, but I like to fill them halfway. And then I add a little bit of jam in the center. And then I fill them with a little bit more batter. It just makes them a little bit more tasty. And this is cranberry strawberry jam, homemade. You're ready for the oven. We're going to bake for 18 to 22 minutes. These cooked for exactly 18 minutes. I just checked them with my toothpick in the centers, and if they come out clean, they're ready. You don't want to overbake because nobody likes a dried up old muffin. Let these sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to put them on a rack to cool. This recipe made about 15 muffins. You can put them in an airtight container and they freeze well. They can last up to 3 months.